This is some mock-up that was created by AI. So Google just released a new AI tool called Stitch, and basically it is able to create a good looking UI that you could apply to your application or a website. And this tool is available for free. It is not limited to just Google AI or Google AI Ultra subscribers. So you can start using Google Stitch to create a prototype of your dream application. So if you want to use this tool, you can navigate to Google and then you want to search the keyword Google Stitch. I think that's the easiest way to actually find this tool, because right now it's still in the beta, but I would say it's doing quite a great job. And some people are kind of worried that it's going to replace designers, but it still remains to be seen. Anyway, you can navigate to stitch.withgoogle.com. This is the website. And if you want to create a design, it's really just as simple as prompting. For example, I want to create an application of, let's say, a clone of Instagram. So I'm going to select mobile, and then I'm going to describe the design. I'll make an application like Instagram, but for dogs, for example, and then click generate designs. So it is being powered by Gemini 2.5 Plus or 2.5 Pro. And that model is very good at coding, and not to mention the performance is way better than competitors. So it will create the design, and later you can copy the code. You can even export the design to Figma if you want to do more adjustments. So this is very limited. It's not as sophisticated as Figma, but definitely very useful to just create a prototype of the design. And I think many designers will start utilizing this tool from Google, but at the same time, I think 5 coders out there will start utilizing this to create some fantastic looking application within minutes. So this is the result. And of course, since this is being powered by AI, you can ask AI to make modification about the design. And by the way, this is not some AI image. This is actually a design. You can actually click edit, or you can click the picture, and then you can get the code, or again, you can export a design to Figma. And also you can change the color right here. You can switch to dark or light mode, and you can change corner radius and also the color of the application. So let me try using this different setting, and it will apply the setting, and later it will show you the result. So I think this is very useful for some people out there that want to create an application or a website, but doesn't know how to create a good looking design. Because for me, I've been using so many AI coders, and I would say the biggest problem is usually how to make a good design. It's kind of difficult to communicate with AI about the kind of design that you want to create, but with this tool, it's really quite simple. Just say the application that you want to create, and AI will do the rest. And there you go. So this is the result. And of course, you can copy the code, you can export the design to Figma, and you can also ask AI to do more modifications. So go ahead, use stitch.withgoogle.com to create some fantastic looking design completely for free using AI. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.